Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix iPhone 15 stuck on sign in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can also try switching between the Wi-Fi and your mobile data. You can also basically turn the airplane mode on and off and try signing in again. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply do force reset your iPhone. For that, you just have to simply press the volume up and then volume down button. Then you need to press and hold the power button. Then release it when you see Apple logo. After restart, you can try signing in again. Now during the setup, make sure that you tap on the option of skip or setup later for Apple ID. Then simply finish setting up your iPhone first, and after that go to the settings of your iPhone. Inside the settings, you are going to see the sign in later option on the top, and this often works smoothly. Now sometimes the Apple servers are slow or down. If everything looks fine on your side, you can just simply wait for a while and then you can try again. Now even after doing this, the issue still persists. You can just simply reset the network settings. For that, you need to open the settings of your iPhone, then look for the option of General. Inside General, look for the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Over here, simply look for the option of Reset, and then you are going to see the option of Reset Network Settings. This is going to refresh your connection and fixes any hidden network issues. Now you need to also make sure that your iPhone is on the latest iOS version. For that, you need to go to the general setting again, then click on the option of software update. Now here, if you see any of the updates available, make sure that you download and install them. And update often fixes the sign-in bugs, so you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.